the next travel show at the beach.
Where?
Here.
Where is the
lake.
beach?
The beach is right here.
Oh, yeah?
Ow.
Well, where are we?
It's a free beach.
Where are we? Wow.
Now, these rocks are over hot all over here, and these rocks are hurt.
Where? Let's see.
It's
It's,
the big beach.
it's just a rocky beach, right?
Glorious luxury
But
golden sand beach, but
a pretty scenery, right? Say hi, Mommy.
Where is that?
It's Managio.
Beach.
This is Managio.
You know where it is? What town we're in?
Beach.
No, what town are we in, Glenn?
we're in Managio.
Managio.
And
Lizzie,
this
what are you
was-
doing?
I'm picking some sand.
Picking sand. There's rocks, right?
Right.
You like the beach?